Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm gonna be showing you how I got this bronzy look. So if you guys are interested, please keep watching. So I'm gonna be starting off with the KKW. This is the classic eyeshadow palette, and I'm gonna go in with this shade right here and just bring that into my crease and the outer corner of my eye. So like I said in my previous videos, I was asking if anyone was interested in me doing Vlogtober. I said if I got just one comment, I would do it. And I'm doing it, I think. I mean, we'll see how it goes. I'm definitely nowhere near being a vlogger. But I do want to vlog. I feel like it could be fun, so we'll see how that goes. I'm hoping for the best here. But yeah, so update on apartment hunting. Still apartment hunting. We have a place that we're going to see tomorrow that we all really like, so we'll see how it goes. I have a good feeling about this place, but I also don't want to jinx it, so I don't know, we'll see. I'm gonna go in to my inner corners a little bit and do kind of more like a halo eye. So leaving the middle of my lid open. When I first started doing makeup, this was like the only look I would do. I don't know why, but yeah, haven't done it in a while. I usually just do like a half cut crease when it comes to shadow, but yeah, this was literally the only type of like shadow I would do, is like halo eyes. And I'm gonna go in with this dark brown and hopefully it doesn't mess everything up. We'll see. I just want a little bit of depth with this dark brown. Then I'm just gonna take a flat brush and pack on some shimmer to the inner, or not the inner, to the middle of my lid. And I'm gonna use this color right here. Okay, that's cute. The other eye. And when you're doing this, you want to make sure you bring it out enough so it doesn't look like it's just a patch in the middle of your eye. Kind of blend it out into the colors on the inner and outer corner of your lid as well. I'm gonna add a little bit of this Urban Decay Heavy Metal liner, and I'm just gonna add, just to add some sparkle to the eye. The this is a liner, but I usually use it just like a liquid shadow. Love that. I'm gonna do the same to the other. And I'm gonna go back in and deepen that outer and inner corner again with a dark brown. Then I'm just gonna add some mascara and add lashes. In with my Anastasia Beverly Hills foundation. Just using this Morphe M444 brush. It's like a kabuki brush. Just to blend that in. And then I'm gonna use my sponge and just go ahead and blend some more. Then I'm just gonna conceal with my e.l.f. Hydrating Camo Concealer. I'm just going to cream contour with the Fenty Beauty cream contour. I think this for like a bronzy look contour, and the colors that you use are probably like the most important. So obviously cream products first. So I'm just going to add this, a little bit on the forehead, add a little bit more, and then the nose, I love this stuff, by the way. It's really, really creamy and really easy to blend out. And then I'm just gonna go in with my e.l.f. brush and blend. Then up here, forehead, and then taking my small e.l.f. brush that I use and blending out this nose contour. And then I don't know why I just did that. Next I'm just gonna go in, where is my brush that I use? Whatever. So I'll use this. So where the heck did the brush go? Anyways, and then I'm just gonna take some powder along the side of my nose and then carve out under the cheeks. And then once I let that sit for a while, or as I let that sit for a while, I'm gonna go in with the powder bronzer. And this is what it looks like. I'm gonna go in with just a blending brush and blend. Then I'm gonna go ahead and wipe that bake away. add a little bit of blush. When you are trying to do like a bronzy look, I would definitely suggest more of a bronzy blush. Love that. Then, of course, highlight. My lip liner. Then I'm just gonna add and this is the finished look. Very bronzed, very glowy. I wasn't really talkative during this video because I don't know why. I'm sorry. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed. I hope this video helped you. I hope you guys are having a great day or night, whatever time it is that you're watching this. And thank you guys so much for taking time out of your day to watch my video. I hope you guys have a wonderful rest of your week, weekend, whatever. And I'll see you guys very soon. Thank you guys so much for watching.